Good morning, friends. Always with a great pleasure to say hello from the land of the Mayas, the land of the Maya, Yucatan. It's always quite interesting to understand, sometimes in the stories that I receive from my teachers. It is a beautiful story that is connected with the Mayan updates in this time. And this story talks about the moon. They said that in the old times we have 7 moons. And our planet, the solar system, was in perfect balance with that. So I try to find out more about why the Mayans call, the moon with the name of Muluk, and this is the symbol Muluk, and this is the symbol who represents the moon, the crescent moon, or at the same time the belly button, the umbilical cord, who is connected with our moon or with the moon, precisely in the moment when we were conceived. That umbilical cord connected with Mother Moon. That is the energy of the mother. But what is the connection with Muluk? Muluk, 7 moons. So is that a story who still needs to be tell to this generation? Yes, I will do in the right moment. I will prepare a special conference story about the story of the seven moons. Okay, so this is interesting because uh, perhaps we don't know that all the changes in the cosmos bring us to that profound connection with all the planets who correspond to our solar system. But there are two very important: the sun and the moon. And the name in the Mayan calendar and the Mayan updates for moon is Muluk, 7 moon. So that's made me to connect with that story again. And in the future, I hope soon, we have the time to prepare this special lecture and to connect with this story of the 7 moons. Okay, but now, what is for today? What is this Mayan updates? Precisely connected with the first symbol, which is Muluk. Muluk is Mother Moon, and then the Og, Chuen, Ev, Ben, Ish, Men. These are the dates who correspond to these days in the Mayan updates. But what is the meaning of this? Muluk, Og, Chuen, Ev, Ben, Ish, Men. Muluk means that this is the time for all of us to follow the steps, to follow the sacred energy, to pay attention to Mother Moon again, because Mother Moon has been kind of isolated for a long time, especially in our Western culture, because we don't recognize the moon as the balance of the sun. So all people wants to connect with the sun, but not many knows the importance to connect with the sacred feminine, the energy who correspond precisely to the water, to the moon, to the conception, and especially creation and fertility. So this phrase said, follow the steps to Mother Moon. This is the first two. The ok means the steps. In order to what? In order to connect with the sacred path, which join M, in order to connect with the sacred path that is going to bring to you, Ben, the balance and harmony. For what? What is the purpose? Why I need to get again my balance and harmony? Because each man represents you are going to find again, your recognition as priest and as priestess. So again, I repeat, guided again to follow the steps with the moon that will bring to you to the connection again, with the sacred path of the inner harmony and balance, with the purpose you find again within yourself, and then after to express it with your priest and priestess you are. That is this important message that is connected precisely with the energy of Mother Moon, the sacred feminine, who exists precisely Uxmal, U is the name of the moon. Uxmal is the sacred city connecting with the energy of Mother Moon, the cosmic feminine university in the Maya land. And this is why Chichen Itza will correspond to the sun. So I would just want to you figure out in your mind how important is to receive both balances. What is the most important element in our body? Is the water, 75%. And in the planet, the water is 75% with all the seas, lakes, etc. So you recognize that importance and see that the moon has that huge, magnetism over the water. Then you will understand. I will let you know something very important. One day, I remember I talked about this. If you serenade the water, especially in the 3 days of the full moon, you put a crystal bowl with water and you plug and let all the night in the 3 days of full moon. And then that is a very good, healthy drink for your body and for your organs because it's connected with the sacred energy of the full moon. So these are instances who is very important to recognize that the balance will come when we recognize between the sun and the moon the harmony that is needed, inside and outside. The planet needs that energy, needs the recognition of the sacred feminine in order that the balance with the sacred masculine would be a reality. So follow the steps of Mother Moon in order to find again your inner balance, your inner harmony that will guide you, towards your main purpose or your purpose, spiritual purpose, who is recognized again your inner priest and your inner priestess. Okay, this is the message of this Mayan update. Let's do our meditation, connecting with the moon. Father, Mother, Father, Sun, Mother, Moon, you are the balance in the solar system. You are the sacred masculine, sacred feminine. Please allow all of us to follow your steps, Mother. Give us with that profound connection with our Mother Ixchel and Grandmother Ixmucane, the reconnection with our sacred purpose, as each one of us is potentially a priest or priestess, to understand that follow your steps in our life will find precisely our mission. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Father, Mother, for to give us the opportunity to recognize in this time with these Mayan updates the importance to come back to our Mother Moon, Muluk, and the story of the 7 moons. It's part of the Maya tradition. We can call now the sacred energy of the moon with the mantra Wu. Mother Moon, your pure energy, bath all my brothers and sisters in this meditation, and extend this pure bath of your sacred energy to all the planet, to all the people, bringing them the change in their mind, making their thoughts positive, crystal mind, the connection with the sacred energy of the full moon as a creative energy, using our imagination to create positive things for our families, ourselves, for the planet, for the society, for all the living beings. Receive our love, receive our honor, receive our respect. Imagine in this moment the planet worldwide receive the energy of the sacred full moon in every living being, in their minds, in their emotions, in their thoughts, bringing balance between the sacred masculine and the sacred feminine. Send love and light, healing, abundance, peace, harmony, joy to our planet, to all the people, and to all the different kingdoms, and all the ones who live in those kingdoms receive the blessings of Mother Ixchel and Grandmother Ishmukané. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. In la quech, a la quech. Take a breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Imagine to breathe the energy of the full moon, connecting in balance with your sacred masculine and feminine, giving peace, harmony, balance in your emotions, release that beautiful energy in the rivers of lakes close to you, and the wells of seas, of waterfalls, any energy who is out of order, out of balance, going like the flow of the river. Gracias, Madre. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mother. Take a breath, and you open your eyes. Well, just to complement this, I one day visited Uxmal, precisely the Sacred Cosmic Feminine University. I remember when I entered in a place who is the back of the main pyramid, I remember to see the Mayans carve precisely many moons, exactly like the symbol that I show you, you know. So why do the Mayans know it? Because they know the importance to follow the steps with the moon in perfect balance with the steps of the sun. Have a beautiful day. Receive the best from our hearts. In la quech, a la quech.